If you've been watching this channel, you know that I work at an RV dealership here in Ontario, California, and we carry Microlite by Forest River. We just got a Microlite in that does not have a slide out. Let's go check it out. So this is a brand new Flagstaff Microlite 25 FBT. This one is 25 feet, 9 inches long, 5,100 pounds dry. Starting on the exterior, you have plenty of storage. You have electric stabilizing jacks. You have those MORryde steps that are hydraulic assisted. You've got a awning that extends almost the entire length of the camper with the LED lights underneath. You have an accessory hitch, so you can put a bike rack that supports about 300 pounds. And this one in particular came from the factory with 1 solar panel, but you can option this to have up to 3. All right, so stepping inside, before we do, take a second to pause your screen if you want to take a look at some of the standard and optional features that are available to you on this unit. But we're gonna start on the front. So you get a north to south queen size bed, couple of drawers underneath, reading lights over the bed, and you get a nice amount of storage there under the bed as well. Plenty of storage around the top and the sides of the bed with that infamous window in the front, of course. Another window there next to your bed to let in a little bit of air. I like this kind of side desk storage nook right next to your recliners. I think that's pretty cool. You have 2 not manual, but electric recliners on this unit, which I think is absolutely awesome. And that's sitting right in front of your TV from the manufacturer. Nice amount of counter space, and you have an electric fireplace here. And what I want to show you guys, what's really cool about this, I had a customer tell me they have a new term coined for a trailer that does not have a dinette, and it's something called the Dinesk. So let me show you what this desk looks like with the tables propped up. And check that out. So if you are a couple that is working on the road, if you work from home and you want a dedicated area to do your work, that would be the place to do it. And I think that's awesome that you can achieve this on a travel trailer that has no slide out. So moving past here, you have a 10 cubic foot electric refrigerator, and it has the dual swing door, so it swings open on both sides. A little freezer tray down below there, which is absolutely awesome. Next to the fridge, you have a considerable amount of pantry space next to the fridge. And look at this, underneath, you have a pull-out trash, which is absolutely awesome. Look at this soft close on those drawers as well. Microwave, storage next to that, 3-burner stovetop, oven, 3 drawers there, little metal sink, black matte finish on the faucet. And when it comes to counter space, if you don't use this as a desk, you might not have this counter space here, but you definitely have counter space next to it if you keep these chairs stowed away and you just want to use the recliners to sit down and eat or do some work and whatnot. There we go. So you have a barn style door there to close off the restroom. There's a little bit of a crevice here. Let me pull this open so you can see. A little bit of a crevice. So when you go to pull this door out from the corner, it's resting in another crevice. So you just got to give it a good little tug to get it out from back there. You get a rectangular shower, 2-piece fiberglass shower with glass shower doors. You get the shower miser system as well to save about 40% of your fresh water if you're boondocking. Porcelain toilet, window in the back, medicine cabinet, vanity, storage beneath with accent lighting down there, and you get plenty of linen storage in the corner as well. And that is going to do it for this beautiful travel trailer. If you're interested in this Microlite, you can text me 760-559-6103. Call me, text me, whatever you need, I will send it over to you. In the description box, I'll put a link to this trailer in particular so you can see all the specs and dimensions, pricing, all that fun stuff down in the description box. Please subscribe to our channel. I'm trying to get in front of as many RV families like yourself as I can. Like the video, leave a comment. Let me know what you think about a travel trailer without a slide out, how convenient that would be or inconvenient that could be for you and your family. With that all being said, I'm at Family RV in Ontario, California. So come in, ask for Victor if you want to see this in person, or again, shoot me a call or a text. And with all that being said, I will see you guys on the next video.